To share your LifeHub with other users, navigate to Settings by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. Select Invite Member, then enter the person's name and email address. Next, choose their role from the drop-down menu. For example, we'll first invite a co-owner. This role has nearly the same permissions as the owner and will automatically become the default inheritor of the LifeHub account. Now, let's invite a viewer. As before, we'll enter their name and email, then select the viewer role. Next, we choose which groups and folders the viewer will have access to. After I'm Gone items remain hidden until both the owner and co-owner accounts have been deactivated. The owner can also decide whether certain editors or viewers should be able to report the passing of the co-owner and owner. In the case that only the owner passes, the co-owner will be responsible for reporting their death.